Hey guys, welcome back to another Spin Master Monster Jam unboxing. So I went grocery shopping at one of my local Targets today, and while I was doing that, I decided, why not check out the trucks since I'm there? So the trucks I got today are the Legacy Trucks El Toro Loco. This one resembles the El Toro Loco that you can get your picture taken in. You can sit inside it It's at the what is it? Oh yeah, Thunder Alley, that amusement park. So this is mix 10. This is one of the trucks that I got today, and then the other one I got is the Legacy Truck Soldier Fortune. I got this because, you know, as a collector, I try to collect everything that's tour accurate. They still need to fix that, but like what makes it accurate, I think it got some new rims and obviously the BKT printing. So yeah, I think I like this Soldier Fortune a lot better than the one they released last year, so that's why I picked it up, because I mean, I'm a collector, I collect everything. So yeah, so these are both from Mix 10, so the only trucks I need are, and these were the only two that they had from Mix 10, so the only trucks I need are Boneyard Trucks, Gravedigger, Monster Mutt Poodle, Scooby-Doo, Stone Crusher, Queen Bee, Inverse Brodozer, and the hard-to-find Rare Ride Trucks Gravedigger. Yeah, and that Scooby-Doo is brand new with the rims, so yeah. I'm going to unbox Soldier Fortune. A wristband, it's like this green color. I don't know what you call it. It's pretty cool. And then we got a Mix 10 poster. Let's see what we got. And I don't know who is supposed to be the Mix 11 mascot, so I guess we'll find out. So here are the trucks. It's basically all the trucks from Mix 10. I got the poster because I want this side, which has Scooby-Doo on it. That's really cool. So I finally have a Scooby-Doo poster that I can display. Alright, let's check out the truck. So it's got the updated roll cage, the new lime green, or the new green rims, the BKT printing, and I think this is the tour accurate color as well, so yeah, this is the updated Soldier Fortune, so yeah, there's that. And then let's get to my personal favorite of the Legacy Truck series until the yellow El Toro Loco comes out. The orange El Toro Loco that you can sit inside at Thunder Alley. Again, here is the wristband. It's a orange color to match the truck. And here is the Thunder Alley replica of El Toro Loco. Very awesome. It's got the updated chin hair, updated flames, horns look awesome, new roll cage, gray rims with the BKT printing. I honestly think this is the El Toro Loco I'm going to use from now on in my sign-up series, but this won't debut till sign-up series 26. Same goes for the Soldier Fortune, so yeah. So I think these are the variations I'm going to use from now on of each of them, because I mean the BKTs look sick on both of these, and obviously these are more accurate. So yeah, very cool. So that was the two trucks that I found from Mix 10, Soldier Fortune and El Toro Loco from the Legacy Trucks category. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully I can find the rest of Mix 10 soon. And yeah, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And yeah, so that's pretty much all I have to say. So stay safe, stay healthy, and have a great day.